In this video, I will be teaching you how you can cancel order in Schwab. So first step is open up your Schwab website and log in your account. After that, click on this trade option from the top of your screen. Then from this drop down menu, you have to click on this open option under this order status section. Then on the screen, you will be able to see all of your orders that is currently running. So what you need to do is identify the stocks or order that you want to cancel and then click on this cancel button right under this selected your stock. Once you do that, this will show you this confirmation window. Click on this cancel order button again, and that's it. Your cancel request has been submitted and your order will be cancelled. You can also click on this again trade button and click on this order status option this time, and then you will be able to see the details of your stocks that has been cancelled now. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.